In the age of the internet, anyone can make $100,000 online. But here's the harsh truth. Most people are drowning in a sea of online content, consuming garbage instead of producing value. But you are different. You made a smart choice by clicking this video, which proves that you are serious about making money. So, stick around because today, I'm about to give you 5 no-nonsense ways that can help you make your first $100,000 online, all by using AI. Number 1. Faceless Instagram channels. Ever heard of them? They are also known as theme pages. Here, you don't need to show your face to make money. House of Highlights, for example. They've got over 40 million followers, and all they do is post sports-related highlights as content. Now you must be wondering, how do you make money from it? Simple. As Instagram does not have its way of monetization, people make money from these following things: shoutouts, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, collaborations, selling products, and many more. But among all these, there is one thing that is a goldmine: selling shoutouts. Meaning, people will pay you money if you give them a shoutout, just by posting a story or post about them. The reason why they will pay you is your massive number of followers. Yes, this extremely easy method of making over $1,000 a day requires only one single thing, that is followers. You can use these following AI tools that will help you for your Instagram journey. In video. This is an AI-powered video editing tool that can help you create engaging and professional-looking reels quickly and easily. Use Canva to create posts like these in minutes. Hootsuite. This will help you automate tasks such as scheduling posts and responding to comments. So start your Instagram faceless account and focus on increasing your followers. Make use of AI tools I just mentioned to create amazing and captivating content, and start posting them consistently. And here's the crazy part. As your followers grow, people will start knocking on your door, begging for shoutouts. It's a gold rush waiting to happen. So, if you are planning to start your Instagram journey, I have made a special free blueprint to help you kickstart your Instagram journey. Click on the link in the description, submit your name and email ID, and you will receive your free Instagram blueprint in your Gmail. The next way is similar, but on a different platform with different conditions. Number 2. Faceless YouTube channels. Just like Instagram, you can build an empire on YouTube too without showing your face. Channels like Aperture, Kurzgesagt, In a Nutshell, Economics Explained, and many more. Even this exact video you are watching right now is of a faceless channel. And here, people earn money through monetization, affiliate links, selling products, sponsorships, and much more. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate your scripts. 11labs.io can help you with voiceovers. vidIQ can help you improve your YouTube channel in a number of ways. It offers features such as keyword research, competitor analysis, and video analytics. Use my link in the description to get a discount. Make use of these tools in a smart way and work even harder on them. That is when a true masterpiece is created. But don't be fooled by the online noise. There's a lot of nonsense out there. If you want to succeed in the faceless game, you'll need to level up your skills. Skills like editing, scripting, audio. And all these skills bring us to our next point. Number 3, freelancing. Here, your skills are what can make you money. All the skills we talked about earlier, like editing, scripting, voiceovers, making thumbnails or designs, are all the skills that you can offer as a service to someone and make money from it. You can actually offer any type of service in the freelancing industry to make money. And the secret to making lots of money in freelancing is your expertise. If you are an absolute expert in a particular skill that you are offering as a service, people will notice it and will pay you much more than you can imagine. But as I said, if you are an expert. But the best part is, with the help of AI tools, you can speed up your hustle and start making money with less to no work at all. So, start grinding your skills and use AI simultaneously so that they can help you make even more money. For finding clients, go to platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. I have already made a video on the best AI tools that can help you make money. Try to implement all the tools mentioned in that video with these strategies, and this will be the recipe of your financial freedom. Sales. It's not just about the money. It's about mastering one of the most timeless and invaluable skills. With this skill, you can easily make $100,000. Sales is the best job that anyone can ever have because it teaches you every single thing that you must know about making money. From making a product that sells effortlessly, to reading people's minds in order to give them what they want, and keeping an eye on competition and whatnot. Use Jasper AI as it can help you personalize your sales pitches to each individual prospect. Sales is without a doubt the best job that anyone can ever have. Making this video, giving you all the strategies plus the Instagram blueprint, it's all about sharing value, which brings us to our most efficient and final way of making money. Like and share the video if you got any value so far and comment down your thoughts. Number 5. Selling online courses. This is by far the most efficient way to make your first $100,000. All you need to do is make an online course on a topic that you have a strong knowledge about and leverage your knowledge to make money by selling that course to your followers. And let me tell you, there are people who take all sorts of courses. They are called the 1%. Why? Because they are always ready to invest in themselves, no matter the price. So, if you are someone who has a great Instagram following, or you are someone with some sort of extra knowledge that you can share, just make a course and sell. Some people are afraid to take this route because they fear being labeled a scammer. But let me set the record straight. Entrepreneurs invest in themselves because they know knowledge is power. And guess what? Who is rich? Entrepreneurs who invest in themselves by buying courses and seeking knowledge, or people who never learn a skill, thinking it is a scam? Who is the loser here? Exactly. So don't shy away from sharing your expertise. Use AI tools like Kajabi and Teachable, which offers a variety of AI-powered features, including automatic transcripts and quizzes. Just ensure your courses are top tier, and you won't have to worry about your reputation. All the ways that I shared is a raw truth about making your first $100,000 online. Comment below which of the ways you prefer the most. You can also ask questions if you have any. It won't be easy, but if you're willing to hustle, the digital world is yours. You are here to make money, and I teach exactly how to do it. Stay poor if you want to, or subscribe to this channel if you want to get rich and make more money. You are finally at the right place at the right time. I will see you in the next one. Take care.